Hello friends, welcome to MSc Earthings. This video is a part of a series of videos under the title SQL for Beginners. This is a playlist which is available in our channel. You can check it out for remaining sequence of videos. In this video, we'll be seeing how to add contents into the table which is already created and existing in the database. So for that, first we'll need to figure out where is our table and in which database it is existing. So we need to navigate to the database in which our table is present with this command. Like in whichever database your table is there, you can use this command, use so and so database name, so that the active current query window will be in that database. Command completed successfully. Now you can see the active query is now in the MSCR database. Now let us see how many tables are present in this database. Refresh. Right click and refresh. Here we can see there are two tables, one is class, the other one is food menu. Let us see what is the class table consists of. See, it is an empty table with 3 columns, role, name and age. Okay, now let us add contents into this table, and the code is simple. Insert into class. Now what are we going to insert? We are going to insert some values. Values, open bracket and close. Then what is the roll number? Say roll number is 100. Then name, say name is ABC, comma, age is say somewhere around 21, and this is a one record, comma. Now I'm typing second record, that means second row. The roll number is 200, name is PQR, age is 15. I'll close the bracket and comma. Next again, say now the roll number is 300 and the name is XYZ, and the age is 28, comma. I'll delete the comma. No, I'm just sufficient with the 3 records. That is, these 3 rows I would like to add it into the existing table with the name class. So let's execute this. 3 rows affected, that means 3 rows have been added. No errors. Now let us check the contents of the table. Here you can see output. 3 rows have been added to the table. Now this is one method of adding contents into the table. The another way is you can right click on this table and you can click on edit top 200 rows, and here you can add say 400, and then name is, say you can give QWE, tab, and then age is 41, then again tab, then roll number 500, tab, then name you can give it as PQR. PQR name is already given, So let's take another name, GHI, tab, age say 31, tab. Now see, we are already having 3 records in this table. Now we have added 2 records freshly through SSMS. Now we'll again run this command. You can see the output. We are having only 3 records. Execute. See, now we have got 5 records. So these are the 2 methods by which we can add contents into the table present in the database. If you like this video and if you are gaining some knowledge from this, please do hit like and subscribe. Thank you.